Hi guys. In this video I'll show you how to take off the front driver door panel on Jetta 2011 until 2019. Same car for every model. So you will need two plastic tools. You'll need a T27 Torx screw head, a magnet, a hook like this, and a T15 head. So first thing we have to remove is this plastic up here, because it is very deep inside. You cannot go with the tool to take it off. I'll go with the hook. So I'll just pry it a little bit, and after I'll go with the like this. So here you have it inside. It has two hooks. When you install it back, you put it here and you push it a little bit forward. So here we have a T27 that will take it off. After this we'll have to remove this power control. We'll begin it from here. It is not easy to remove. Sometimes you have to be careful, but with a little bit of patience we'll try to take it off. So I'll use one more plastic tool. This last clip is hard sometimes. Okay, so here you have it. One clip here, one clip here, one clip here. This is very thin, be careful just here in this place. Now we have another T27 screw here, and the other one. I'll go this way. So here we have a door, small cover. We will need to go to pry it off. Yeah, we'll begin down. Okay, so this is it. It has two pins and two clips. One fell off, we'll put it back. So I'll find it after. When you put it back, just insert it and clip it. Okay, so another screw here, and as usually we have one screw down here. It is the smallest one, the T15. So we take it off. We put it always inside. After with the T27 head, we take off this one. They are tight. For the other screws, I recommend using the magnet, because you can drop it inside the door, and sometimes it is difficult to take it off. Okay. Now we'll take off this one. Okay, so just to recap: 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. So it has to be, it is good for now. Now with this big guy, we'll go here between the panel and the door, and we'll begin to pull the door panel. This is the small clip from here. I'll just put it back as the other one, like this. is released. Now all we have to do is just to lift it, and it is done. Now, if you want to take it off completely, I don't need it for now, but if you want to take it off completely, you just look inside. All the cables are on clips. You just press the clip and take it off. These cables here, just look to them, you will understand what you have to press and to take it off. Concerning this plastic, it is sometimes difficult to take off, so just begin from this side. With a plastic tool, you press here, and you always want to pry it towards you, not toward the window, but towards you. It has to come like this, and to do that, I'll put it like this. So we'll roll down the window, and we'll try to take it off. If it gets off, yeah, so this one is not too difficult. No, you take it like this. So this is it. Now you have access here. For the back ones, sometimes it is difficult. So what I do, I put a screwdriver and I press it here a little bit. So you want to take it off from here and after to pry it. So this was the video concerning this front driver door. If you find the video useful, just give me a thumb up and I will do some more videos for you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.